I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here, and we're back out at the church parking lot. It's the morning. I thought I would try to get out here and see if I could avoid some of the wind. In the morning sometimes it's better, but it is already starting to pick up. But this morning I got the Arrows Corsair with me, and I'm excited to get this thing in the air and try to have some fun with it. The wind's coming from my back, and we got the sun up here. This is all wrong for flying in this location, but we're going to try to make the best of it and have a good time. And then I got to go to work. Let's get this thing in the air. All right, the wind's coming from the church-ish direction out of the west there, so we're going to take off that way. And I'm going to go ahead and leave safe on, and then we'll turn it off after I get it in the air. See it turning into the wind. In fact, turning towards my truck. That's not okay. So we'll taxi it this way just a little bit more. It's still fighting me pretty hard. That should be good enough. We'll go ahead and put one click of flaps on because we do need to get in the air pretty quick. There, that worked out. And as soon as I get it up there, there we go, safe is off. And flaps are off and gear going up. Well, one of the gear. Well, that sun right in my eyes. There, it looked like they both tucked up in there. So we might fly around the lamppost today to try to avoid that sun. That, and it puts us in the path of the wind. She's handling good. I do have it in low rates to try and smooth the flight out. I do have a big battery in there today, and it does feel good in this wind. It does. I think it's helping. It's I think it's a 3S 3000 or 3300 or something like that. It's an old HRB battery that I had. That looked really smooth. Right over top the lamp post. It's looking pretty good. This is one that I won't fly around upside down. In fact, the only thing holding the battery in place is the way that the battery compartment is designed as a slant, and the canopy is kind of holding it there. So I don't have Velcro or anything on it. It's just sitting in there. Let's get it turned around the other way one time. Do some left turns, right? Right turns, left turns. Nice low pass there. It's a nice flying airplane. These Arrows airplanes are pretty awesome, and I plan on buying another one here real soon. And if you're a Patreon and you haven't voted yet, I'm waiting for a little bit more participation. I'll get an airplane on order, and hopefully we'll have that here within a week. Give you guys at least another day, and then I'll go ahead and order one of those airplanes. Big old bank turn here. See those guys out there doing some road work. So the landing's gonna look something like that if I can get it on the ground safely. Put the gear down. We want to see the wheels. Yep, I see them. I got one click on the flaps, and if I remember right, it handled much better with one click than with two. And let's go ahead and throw it in safe, just because of this wind. This might be a bit of a struggle here. Oh, smooth, man. I said it was going to be a struggle, and it came in real nice. Basically did all the work for me. So guys, the Aeros Corsair sure is a lot of fun, and I'm glad that you guys encouraged me to buy this airplane. And I've been enjoying flying it, and I'm glad that I was able to share this flight with you guys. And it looks like it's going to be a beautiful day, so big thanks to the Lord for that. And until next time, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here.